Clinical trials are going on right now in Phoenix, and they need patients with a variety of medical issues. Here with more is Dr. Joseph Gimbel with Arizona Research Center. Always good to see you. I'm surprised you're here because you have been so busy recently.
It's been a crazy, crazy month.
Yeah, tell me a little bit about what's going on in all of these research studies that you've been doing.
Well, we just finished a one bunion trial, and it went extremely well. We were the highest enrolling site in the country, putting in the most patients in this project. We actually had a patient come back yesterday, bring flowers for everybody, and said she thought this was a mini vacation. Because we keep the patients for 3 days after surgery and treat them for their pain. And when they leave, they're comfortable, they're walking, and the patients love it. It's a great way to have your bunion surgeries.
And you're still doing bunion surgeries, but now you're adding some others, some low back pain and shoulder pain?
Right. Well, the bunion surgery just ended, but we're starting another bunion surgery beginning of March. So if people are interested, they should call now to put their name on the list.
And let's talk about some of those other ones that are coming up. Quite a list here. You are, again, so busy.
Yes. Yes. Well, we're doing hip and knee trials. We have about 6 or 7 variations of trials for people that have hip knee pain. We have a hip pain trial where we're seeing the patients, treating them, and if they have advanced arthritis, we're offering them a free cortisone injection under fluoroscopy, and that's to treat their hip pain and their arthritis. We have shoulder study. The shoulder study is interesting because most people with conservative care for their tendonitis, a lot of them don't get better and they still have persistent pain. This is a product that's injected sub-Q under the skin, and 50% of the patients that haven't responded to conservative care have gotten better with this product, avoiding surgery.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so it's really quite interesting.
The dermatology one has to be pretty popular, especially with people with eczema, the acne, lots of different options on that.
Right, and psoriasis, we're working with several dermatologists in town. And they refer patients and they participate, their patients participate in our trials, and they're involved in seeing the patients as well. So it's really an opportunity if you have psoriasis. These are wonderful drugs. Patients are doing well. The side effect profiles of all these products have been excellent, and patients really enjoy participating and getting medical treatment this way, although we actually gather data for the pharmaceutical company, and what we do determines whether the product gets approved by the FDA or not.
And you said that this tummy tuck option that's coming up is super popular. Like, you better call now if you want to get involved in that.
Well, this is the first time we've talked about it or advertised for it, even mentioned it. Usually the first time we mention it, we get blasted. I mean, it takes about a week to get, not even a week to fill the study, because patients really are, it's a very popular procedure. You get a free tummy tuck. Again, we would keep you for a few days in our facility. The surgery's included, the post-op care is included. We have a plastic surgeon who comes in and does the procedure, and it's very popular. Women and some men too really appreciate this this study.
And you were saying this is no cost, and a lot of participants get paid as well?
All of our participants and almost all our trials get at least $500 for completing the trial itself. So it's really, it's our way of covering them, their expenses for their travel, their time, and we feel we have an obligation to make sure that there's no out-of-pocket cost for them to participate in any of our trials.
All right, well, you're helping make tomorrow better. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure.
If you want more details, you can visit azresearchcenter.com or call the number on your screen.